Hey guys, just doing a quick video on a dish, nice lunch dish, simple and fresh. I use the steam in a bag, frozen peas, sweet, delicious. I like sautéing them. So what I did is I did a hamburger and I added my peas. I added a little bit of salt, pepper, and some butter, and just let the natural flavors work. And I browned. And boy, what delicious, healthy food this is, okay? Instead of a hamburger on bread with the condiments and all that, I have the sweetness and the freshness of the peas and the protein from the beef. So it was a pretty nice quick dish. Takes me about 3 or 4 minutes for a lunch or for dinner or what have you, or for a side dish if you want to enhance your peas. But again, sweet peas in the steam fresh. A few minutes in the microwave is the go this way up. But for $1 and another $1 for the 85.15, they're a quarter-pound burger. I think it was $3.95 a pound for the 85.15. But how do you beat that for $2? Right? You have enough food there for 2 people. But okay, guys. Hope you enjoy. Tastes delicious. Little bit of salt, pepper, and butter, and saute it with all the juices of the hamburger. I do render the fat of the burger. Then I add the peas. I give it a little more saute for flavor, and that's it. Bon appetit. Thank you, guys.